Hello dear lovely people, my today's topic is scheduling happiness. 6th August 2019 was like any other normal day, but it was the birthday of my wife. In the morning, she told me about her plan to go out in evening, spend some time together, followed by dinner. That day I tried hard, but at 4:30 I got pulled into an unplanned meeting and got free at 7 pm. From Gurgaon to Ghaziabad took another 2.5 hours and finally reached home at 9:30 pm. I told my wife we will go for a dinner during this weekend as today had some work in office and now it's too late to go out. And you know what she said? She said we should laugh when we want to laugh. We should cry when we want to cry. We shouldn't schedule our happiness. Friends, this might be just a normal incident, but nowadays we are scheduling our happiness. Nowadays, Happy Friday phrase is very common among young couples, where couples have time for each other only on Fridays. Rest of the days, both of them are busy in their respective works. Families are more happier on Instagram and Facebook than in actual life. We started celebrating our kids' birthday during weekends. Whenever there is any occasion of celebration, we try to keep it during weekends. Are we so busy that we don't have time to even enjoy our own happiness? Suddenly time has become so precious that no one have it. We can spend hours with laptop and mobile by doing office work, watching YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, WhatsApp and God knows what all. But whenever our own family member asks about the time, very first response, even without listening to him or her, I don't have time. Previously, earning money minus spending equals to saving. Nowadays, earning money plus spending time equals to having good life. And we all know what kind of good life we are making. We all are running in rat race. We reach office on time, fulfill all the commitments on time, and most of the time we carry the office work at home. But whenever it comes to family, we give them priority, if at all, any time left from the office work or all the activities that we do with laptop and mobile. This is the story of one of my known couples. In the entire 24 years of married life, they never went on vacation. It was not something that they hadn't planned or they didn't want to go, but each time they have postponed it for one or another reason. Initially, they wanted their kids to grow at certain age, then their 10th, then 12th, then graduation. Few years back, I heard when they were talking that after marriage of their kids, they will go for a world tour. Suddenly, uncle met with an accident and his entire lower body got paralyzed. I met him few months back and he was in guilt. Why he didn't plan his vacation? Why he have postponed it for a long time and now it's too late to even plan it. So friends, at the end I just want to say happiness comes by heart, not by schedule. If you want to be happy, today is the day when you can enjoy it most. Never think you can be happy only after saving the money. Never think you will be happy once you have good job. Never think you will be happy once you have the good position. It is never going to happen. Enjoy with your current situation. Enjoy with your current resources. Spend your time with your families, with your friends. And friends, it is the most important thing. And believe me, you can enjoy the life more with Chandni Chowk street food rather than any foreign country travel. So friends, we will meet again with a new story. Till then, I am Anurag Mittal signing off. Goodbye. Thanks.